Hi and welcome back to Mike Makes It. This is like a follow-on to a video I put out a few months ago with regards to a tumble dryer, where I developed a sponge on a stick to clean the filter that you couldn't actually see or get access to very easily. Well, I've gone one stage further. A couple of people have written to me regards the filter I was talking about, and not an easy way to get at it, but a practical way to do it, and that is simply, I haven't counted the screws, there's about 8 to 10 screws. Take the lid off the tumble dryer. There's 3 screws on the back here. Pull the lid back, that pops off. Then there's a series of screws down the side, and I've got the lid on here at the minute, but there's about 3 along the top. Now, what caught me out, that panel lifts up. I was pulling it backwards and I actually managed to break a couple of these clips. It'll go back together okay, so the wife's still okay with it. But yeah, it lifts up to unclip it. But the filter in question lives here. And that's it. That's the filter that Hotpoint claim will self-clean. Well, not in this house it don't. So Mike's had to clean it. But it's easy enough to get to. Like I say, take the cover off, top lid, side, and that just slides back in there. 2 screws holding it in. And even though I've been in there with a brush, cleaning it out regularly, and I leave the filters out as well to give it a chance to dry between washes or dry cycles, it was still a lot of lint and dust on there. So I'll make a note of the date, put this back in, and see how long it is before I need to do this again, because we've had it a couple of years now and it's done all right. So anyway, yeah, that's just a quick update. Yes, you can clean the filter, even though it's supposed to be automatic. Not so. But yeah, thanks for watching.